3, 2, 1. This is the REDMI Watch 2 Lite. It's basically the same watch as the Xiaomi REDMI Watch 2 that is in global format with multiple languages and works outside of China. The original Watch 2 had an NFC chip in it. That's been removed from the global version because the NFC was only functional in China. This is your stress monitoring, and you saw heart rate earlier. This watch also has a slightly different screen to it. Instead of an AMOLED screen and an always-on display capability, this has got a really bright TFT display and the ability to simply cover it up and turn it on, double tap to turn it on, or twist your wrist to turn it on. So very effective in conserving battery and able to use it in a variety of ways. You have all kinds of fitness activities in here, and it'll show you your last track information. Lots of different watch faces. This is a special one downloaded from the server that you can get through their tethered app. You have twist your wrist to see time, alarms, do not disturb, a nice bright flashlight you can use. You've got overall settings on this watch. Different watch faces, lots of brightness capabilities. You can lock it out if you want to, set up Bluetooth, change your vibration system, reboot it, power off, or completely reset the watch at your leisure. You also can press the button, get back to time, press it again, get all of the activities, your different workout things, walking, running. By the way, it's really waterproof, so you have swimming capability on this 5 ATM watch. Yoga, jump ropes, high impact training, triathlon. I mean, it just goes on. And you can add many, many more as well. Your results of your workouts, heart rate, blood oxygen, last night's sleep, and stress. You have a breathing exercise. If you're registered as a female, you can see where you are in your fertility cycle. You also have weather pushed to your area, music player, remote camera. It just goes on and on. It's a really nice watch. Includes a compass as kind of a hidden Easter egg in this one. Very thin, easy to put on, easy to take off. All the sensors you need, very well built. It's the REDMI Watch 2 Lite global version. Check it out.